In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Printful products on Amazon. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Selling products on Amazon can be an incredible way to reach a wider audience, and by utilizing Printful, you can significantly streamline the process. So let's jump right into it. The first step in our journey is to open Printful and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one first. Once you're logged in, look for the Awesome Stores option in the navigation menu. This is where you'll manage all your marketplaces. Now here comes the exciting part. Click on Add Store. This option allows you to connect Printful with various platforms, and today we are focusing on Amazon. So go ahead and select Amazon from the list of options presented. You'll be asked to choose the specific Amazon marketplace where you want to display your products. This could be Amazon.com, Amazon.ca, or any other regional marketplace you prefer. Once you've made your choice, simply click on Connect. Now, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Amazon seller account. If you don't have one, you'll need to set this up on Amazon's platform first. Signing in should take just a moment, and after you've entered your credentials, you'll need to review the permissions Printful is asking for. This is a crucial step, so take your time and ensure you're comfortable with what you're agreeing to. Once you've reviewed everything, click on Authorize Printful. After that, return to Printful and check under the Reina Stores section again. Here, you should see your newly connected Amazon store. It's always good to double-check that everything looks right, just to ensure there were no hiccups during the connection process. Next, it's time to create a product to sell. You can either create a new product in Printful from scratch or choose an existing product template that you like. Depending on your strategy, think about your niche and what products would resonate with your potential customers. Once you decide on the product, you will need to add essential details such as the product title, description, images, and pricing. The product title should be clear and descriptive, while the description can provide additional details that showcase the unique features of your product. For the images, choose high-quality photos that will attract buyers. Remember, presentation is key on a platform like Amazon. Lastly, when setting your price, consider both your costs and the competitive landscape. After setting up your product details, you'll want to select the Amazon listing details and product variants. This step is particularly important because it helps your product stand out on the marketplace. You can specify sizes, colors, or any other variants your product might have. Once everything is set up and you're satisfied with how your product looks, the next step is to submit it to Amazon. You will have the option to review everything one last time before finalizing your submission, so take this moment to make sure that all the information is correct. Once your listing is active and live on Amazon, customers can begin purchasing your products via your store. This is where the magic happens. When orders start rolling in, you can relax, because Printful will handle all the fulfillment for you. This means that when you receive an order, Printful takes care of packing and shipping the product straight to your customer. And that's it! You're now set up to sell Printful products on Amazon. Remember, there might be a learning curve, and that's perfectly normal. Monitor your sales, gather reviews, and continuously optimize your listings based on what works and what doesn't. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Happy selling!